Hey guys, Dave from Dave's Boy Shop Works here, and as you can see, it is a fairly wet and rainy day. It's been raining all day pretty much, and we still have a few little things to button up on Brooke's truck. Sorry I haven't given any updates lately aside from a couple of short videos, but we're going to go all through that hopefully when the weather's a little bit nicer. But tonight, just a couple simple things: throw the fan belt on, hope it's the right length, and get the hood on the truck, and maybe a couple other things. But if I can get those two done in the rain, I'll be a happy man. Here goes. Sorry about the lighting. This is the best I got right now. The nights are coming darker faster, but we will do what we can. I really hope this fan belt works. We went through about 3 other belts. Didn't do any measuring, just tried them on for size and that kind of jazz. And this belt will work, except I'm missing a rib. Well, how do you like that? We're gonna put it on anyway. Nope, we're not. I'm gonna get the right belt tomorrow. So when you break down the belt part number, you get a 6, a 7, or an 8 PK. That's how many ribs it has. So I need a 7 PK 2300, I hope. But I'll find out all that tomorrow. And just like that, no fan belt. But we can move on to the hood.
Back, grab your right hand on the top of mine is, because I don't want to slide back and smack into anything. Find my holes. Hold on, babe. Around over the other side, just gonna hold it steady. Try and line up this one. Hold the foot on the front. lined up. I think I'm going to have to raise the back end of the hood, but... Release that. There's the hood release. Okay, shine straight down. Come up here. Just about right in the spot.
Let's do it on this side.
Yeah, it actually didn't do half bad at all.
It's up a little bit here.
Well, it matches the element, so I think we're actually going to leave it right there. And just try to pop it open if I can. There it is. Okay. Alright, I'm going to cinch them down with a ratchet, and that's that. Hood installed.
Yay!
Well, there you have it, guys. One hood installed. It lined up good with the reference marks I made on the hinges before we pulled the hood off, and unfortunately I got the wrong fan belt, so 1 out of 2 for the night. Kind of lousy, but I'll take it as a partial win, because now I have to, hopefully they'll have the right fan belt in stock tomorrow. If not, I have to order it, and it'll be overnight, and then I can put it on. So I might not be getting a fan belt until Friday now. It's one of the small pains of living on an acreage that's 45 minutes from the town where the most action happens. There are a couple other smaller towns around here that I could order some parts through, but I still get all my pricing and everything through in Grand Prairie. So for now, and I still work in Grand Prairie, so I'll go to work tomorrow, order up the fan belt if we can find it, and then Friday I'll put the fan belt on. Well, we got a couple other small parts coming for the truck. We got a few little things left to do to it. Nothing too crazy, but let's call her good for the night, and we'll pick this up as soon as we got more parts. Thanks for checking it out.